Yes, it is the middle of February, and no, I have not gotten around to opening this YesStyle advent calendar, but we're gonna open it together because I never claimed to be a good influencer, just an influencer. So this is the 2023 YesStyle advent calendar. They did send this to me. This is their Winter Beautyland advent calendar. This packaging definitely is a concept. It's not giving festive, I'm gonna be very honest. If you've never gotten an advent calendar, if you don't know, every day up until Christmas, so December 1st through 25th, I believe, there is a little thing that you open as a little treat. And the idea is every day up until then, you get a little treat. With these beauty advent calendars, I've gotten one before from them. Every day leading up to Christmas is a different beauty item. We're talking makeup and skincare. So we're gonna go from December 1st through the 25th and we're gonna see what they are. And yes, it is very, very overdue, but I actually like looking through these because sometimes I just discover new beauty items that I never would have thought to try and they become favorites. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a really interesting drawer concept, which they've never done before. And the dates are all mixed up. So I might just start going one by one without paying attention to the dates and tell you what's inside. Shit's big. Getting started with the first Pure Kangyo Deep Cleansing Balm. I love this line, have never used this product, so very excited to try. On to two. Looks like a blush by a brand called Lily by Red. Korean blushes, hit or miss. Excited to try it though. It's three. The fuck is this? It's giving lip. Oh no, it's one of the Kahi sticks. So these are like stick skincare. I think these are usually like moisturizing. I don't know what this one is. I have to look into it more. These were really popular in Korea last time I went there though. It's the fourth. This is glittering eye stick. The one thing about Korean and Japanese makeup is it's formulated to last, but the shades are usually really light. It's a nice little shimmer though. It's like a champagne-y color. I might use that for like little inner corner moments. Five. She's heavy. Beauty of Joseon. This is their calming serum, green tea and panthenol. I think I actually don't have one of these right now, so definitely holding on to these. Next comes six. This is a Romand Hand All Brown Fixer. I think I've used this before, but I don't remember. So I'm just gonna try it out just because again, Japanese and Korean skincare generally has really good lasting power and I have the most stubborn eyebrows. Seven. Okay, this is a retinol eye cream from Sun By Me. I have one of these already, so I might give this to a friend, but this is really nice if you want a very gentle retinol option. 8. This is from Etude House Lash Perm Volume Fix. I don't use mascaras, so giving this away, but I hear really good things about Etude House makeup. 9. This is a hand cream. One thing about Korean hand creams is they smell delicious. So let me smell it on screen together. It's giving SPF packaging. It's giving essential oil.
Which one?
Yes. Oh, blended geranium and bergamot oil. There it says right there. It'd be interesting if this had SPF in it, but the texture seems really nice. Don't know about that smell though. It smells very like herby spa and it's a lot. Okay, we're on number 10 and this is a beige and what is this? An eyeshadow or shading? It's from a brand called McQueen New York. The branding on this is giving Bobbi Brown meets MAC. The one thing about like Korean powder products is that the shades are very light. Oh no, this would work for me, definitely for sure. I might give that a shot, we'll see. Okay, was that 10? Next we're at 11. Unique Centella Sun Cream. This is nice. Does have a little bit of a white cast if you're deeper and it is more moisturizing texture, but it's a nice sunscreen if you have more like compromised skin. Helps to soothe. It's not my favorite of the Colmar formulas, but it's not bad. Oh. This was 12. And this is a Dew Tint. I think it's a lip color. You know, these are cute. I think they're like nude enough that they're like workable for like a lot of different people. I'll give this a shot. We'll see. 13, lucky number 13. So there's a Haru Haru Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. I really like Haru Haru skincare. I've only tried their like other black rice products, so it'd be nice to try this, see what it feels like. 14. Stay Fixer Packed Vegan setting powder. If it's a BB cushion, we're screwed. If not, it's a translucent setting powder. I hope it's translucent. Yeah, it's giving blotting powder. This will be cute. Definitely gonna keep this in a bag. It's nicely kind of compact, so it'd be good for like travel just to stay shine free. Definitely using her. 15. Oh, opening from the bottom. Blueberry and cream ice pop eye gel, hydrogel eye masks. This feels heavy. There's probably a few in there. These are cute. Keep this refrigerated. It's gonna help depuff. I don't love an eye gel moment, but if I have them, I'm gonna use them. Wonder what they smell like. 16. This one feels really light. We have an eyeliner. I'm never gonna use this, so we're giving her away. Fun fact, I actually do give a lot of the stuff I don't use to like my friends. Other things you can donate to shelters. So whatever doesn't get used does not get wasted. 17. This is the hyaluronic acid 3 amino acids and ceramide serum from CosRx. I haven't used this one specifically. I know this line is nice. They have some nice products, so I'll be interested to try that out. 18. Big box, doesn't feel heavy though. What is this? This is the tuning brush. It's a whole brush set. So it has a blusher brush, nose shading brush, base shadow brush, and a clear pouch. I love brushes. Clear pouch. And the brushes. I'm not gonna say they're high quality, but I love a brush. Mainly because I hate cleaning my brushes, so, okay. Sorry. That was 19. This is the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. I've never used this. I didn't know they actually had a foaming cleanser. Foaming cleansers to me are interesting just because sometimes they can be a little bit drying. Sometimes they don't give me the texture I want out of a cleanser to really feel like it's cleansing. So stay tuned for that one and we'll try that out. 20. Peri Pera, they have some of the best makeup I've heard of. Like a lot of people really rave around Peri Pera. This is their Ink Velvet Lip Tint and Liner set. Probably not gonna use this, so I might give it to some of the other girls. 21. Ooh, oh, this is nice. This is from Access Y. So PHA Resurfacing Glow Peel. This is a nice gentle exfoliating product. I really do like Access Y. I haven't not tried Access Y in a minute. They're a really good brand. This is 22. This is another liner. This is Too Cool for School. It's just like a liner. Again, I'm not gonna use this. Give it to the girls. 23, almost there. From Maison, Phyto Plump Collagen Night Cream. I might give this away. Maison has really good products. Their snail line's amazing, but I don't have a need for this specific product right now. It doesn't seem so. We got creams at home. And then 24, last one. So yeah, these get you through till Christmas, and then once the 25th hits, you're SOL. This is from Unleashia, Glitterpedia. Is this like a glitter palette? Oh, it's a book. Oh, it's a little cute like glitter palette. These kind of palette designs are really popular in Korea. This is actually really cute. I would use this if I didn't have something very similar to this right now. That's probably more pigmented. So I will probably donate this as well, but it's actually really cute. I'm not gonna lie. So with that was the 2023 Advent Calendar from YesStyle. Yes, I am late, but you know what? It's better late than never. Do you love Advent Calendars? The thing is, these brands always ask to send them, and I just never open them. But let me know, because in this year I could be a little bit more proactive. YesStyle, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I'm really so sorry. But this was fun. This was cute. It's definitely a lot more skincare than I thought, which I'm really happy about. A lot of things I love and a lot of things I'm excited to try. So yeah. Let me know down below in the comment section. Did you get the YesStyle Advent Calendar? / have you used any of these products? What are some of your favorites? / what do you want to see me review on the channel? Sign off in the comments. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you know when I post more skincare, sunscreen, and beauty related content on my channel. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.